The global semiconductor patent race is more than just a competition. It's a high-stakes game that shapes the future of technology. As we dive into the latest data, it's clear that innovation in chip technology is at an all-time high, with countries and companies vying for supremacy in this critical industry. Let's start with the leaders. The United States has long been a powerhouse in semiconductor innovation, with giants like Intel, Qualcomm, and AMD leading the charge. In recent years, however, we've seen a surge in patent filings, particularly in areas like AI, 5G, and advanced manufacturing techniques. The latest figures show that U.S. companies hold a significant share of the global semiconductor patents, but they're not alone in this race. South Korea, with its tech behemoths like Samsung and SKH, is making waves as well. They've been investing heavily in research and development, focusing on memory chips and next-gen technologies. The competition is fierce, and South Korea is not just keeping pace. They're pushing boundaries, especially in the realm of DRAM and NAND flash memory. Then there's Taiwan, home to TSMC, the world's largest semiconductor foundry. TSMC has been pivotal in advancing chip fabrication technologies, leading the way with their 5-nanometer and even 3-nanometer processes. Their ability to produce cutting-edge chips for companies like Apple and Nvidia has solidified Taiwan's position as a critical player in the semiconductor landscape. China is also stepping up its game. With government backing and a focus on self-sufficiency, Chinese firms are ramping up their patent filings. Companies like Huawei and SMIC are investing in R&D to reduce reliance on foreign technology. While they face challenges, including trade restrictions, their determination to innovate is evident. The race is not just about who has the most patents. It's about who can turn those patents into practical, market-ready technologies. Interestingly, Europe is not sitting on the sidelines either. The European Union has launched initiatives to boost semiconductor production and innovation, aiming to reclaim a significant share of the global market. Companies like ASML are leading in lithography technology, which is crucial for chip manufacturing. The EU's focus on collaboration among member states could pave the way for breakthroughs in semiconductor technology. Now let's talk about the trends shaping this race. Artificial intelligence is a major driver of innovation. Companies are racing to develop chips that can handle AI workloads more efficiently. This includes specialized processors like TPUs and neuromorphic chips designed to mimic human brain functions. The demand for AI capabilities is pushing companies to file patents at an unprecedented rate, and the competition is fierce. Sustainability is another key factor. As the world becomes more environmentally conscious, semiconductor companies are exploring ways to make their processes greener. This includes energy-efficient chip designs and sustainable manufacturing practices. The race is not just about speed and performance, it's also about being responsible stewards of the planet. In conclusion, the global semiconductor patent race is a dynamic and evolving landscape. The competition is intense, with the US, South Korea, Taiwan, China, and Europe all playing crucial roles. As technology continues to advance, the stakes will only get higher. The question remains, who will emerge as the ultimate leader in chip innovation? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: this race is far from over.